Circular Economy Journey Nairobi.
I am here for the Journey Challenge.
I am particularly inspired by the youth joining up to do something that positively impacts the community.
So my interest in circular economy started when we went to one of these waste sorting facilities and someone asked a question in relation to architects and how they're not supporting waste management. And that got me thinking that with my skills, I can contribute to the waste management conversation. And that's why I'm here today.
The best thing about joining this program is to come and at least have more capacity, knowledge, and what is the current trends in circular economy, and also meet and interact with the like-minded individuals in this space.
I would love more of our healthcare facilities to get involved in understanding how the waste and the pollution impacts our health. And so then we can then recommend policies and regulations to improve how we shield ourselves from the negative impacts of climate change and poor waste management.
The youth coming together, there's power in numbers or in unity, I would say. Since they've adopted the Circular Economy Initiative, they started with plastic waste. They are slowly moving into organic waste. They're also doing rehabilitation of the river ecosystems. I'd like to replicate the same in other sub-counties within Nairobi.
If you look at all the informal settlements now, they're moving further and further away from the city.
I think the first role that as an ecosystem of entrepreneurs and youth, we first need to get some time to understand the concept of waste, redefine what waste is, understand what are the waste principles, and then view waste from a point of a resource rather than from a point of a nuisance. And that is where real change begins. Engage with communities, try and formalize the sector as much, so that then we can be able to accommodate as much interdisciplinary approach within the sector.
With the population growing globally in our country and everywhere, I started thinking of how we are utilizing our resources and what it means for our future generations. Are we really using our resources well? Do we have to minimize, or do we have to do better ways to go green?
Us as entrepreneurs have to come in with an open-minded mindset where we can actually approach this issue with innovative solutions that can help in providing sustainable solutions and to also improve the living conditions of such communities.
With this workshop, it's really very engaging. It's like every program has a surprise. You experience it as a group because, at the end of the day, we are collaborating to form solutions.
I like the experiential learning where I get involved in the process. And so far, I'm learning so much within the circular economy. There's a mind shift, definitely.
I believe that if you know better, you should be able to do better. I believe that our role is in not just coming up with ideas and innovations, but trying to actualize them, at least for our generations and the generations to come.
There is power in working together. That's how we will create change.
So let's work together to make the environment a better place to be, because if we don't take care of the environment, it won't take care of us.